This is going to demonstrate the bent over W position. So what we're going to start with is our feet are evenly rooted into the ground. We're going to bend forward to give ourselves the challenge with our shoulders. And then from there, we're going to lift out like we're making a W. So if I stand up, you see that my arms actually in my chest are actually making a W position. So from here, sit forward, sit our butt back, and come out. The thing to pay attention to is you need to make sure that you're not feeling it in the back part of your shoulder only, you're also feeling it between your shoulder blades. So we'll sit forward, sit our butt back. From there, we're squeezing our shoulder blades first and then coming back down.